Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I am here with a short plant video, and this is my Syngonium strawberry ice. This is how it looks right now, and that's the leaf. Let's see if there is any activity there. Very slow growing. Yes, I can see a tiny shoot there. I think this is the reason why this plant is a bit costly than the other Syngoniums. Now let's move on to our geranium. This is the geranium that has been repotted by me last week, and this is how it blooms right now. Sorry, it has been shifted to a bigger pot, 10 inches pot, and I am so relieved you cannot imagine. I was just wanting to shift it, and finally I could do that. And this is the bloom. Although the size of the flowers have reduced considerably, yet it is blooming. This is the plant. Actually, this plant I had bought from the Gorkhe Haat, yes. And this is another geranium, a cutting which had been given to me by my sister-in-law Rosa in the month of December. Yes, I remember. And this is the flower. This too is pink in color, and look at it, how delicate, how pretty it looks, and look at the buds. Look at it. You are going to forget everything all around you when you admire your plants, your flowers. Look at this one. Look at the difference. Both are pink, but different from one another. Now, to the common eye, who is not a plant lover, will say, yes, it's just pink, but there is a whole lot of difference. That's the plant. It's in a plastic pot, and I'm going to shift it very soon. Now, this too is another cutting given to me by my sister-in-law Rosa, again in the month of December. That's the leaf which should be removed. And this too is in a tiny pot, and this too is blooming. Look at the color. Oh my god, it's a fuchsia pink, a beautiful one, a single petal, but a beautiful one. I love single petal geraniums as well. Actually, I love all geraniums. Now, to be more precise, I think I should say I love all the plants. I can do anything for them. Look at the buds. Look at the flowers. Every day I admire them, in the morning as well as in the evening as soon as I get back from work. After I drink tea, I rush to the terrace to check on my plants. Now this is a geranium which is in a huge pot, and the plant is also huge. It has been hit by the rain last night, and that's why the flowers, the blooms are heavy. But thank God it didn't topple down, as it was secured properly. That's the flower that has not been hit by the rain, and this is how it looks. Look at it. Pretty, pretty, pretty. This is my orange glitters, and this is the geranium which is blooming, I should say, for the first time in a decent way under my care, because this plant had been bought from the flower show, and it has turned a little bushy, although the leaves have discolored because of the heat. Today the temperature has dropped. The geraniums must be enjoying them because we had rain last night. Actually, it's still raining. And look at this bloom too. How beautiful it looks. These geraniums must be loving the dip in the temperature. This is how it looks. This particular plant is in a big plastic pot, so I am not removing them. This is the red one, equally beautiful, a fiery red. Actually, it's a short one because I just wanted to capture these plants which were so very happy after the rain. So thank you for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye bye for today. Bye.